Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find out your motherboard model information on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you two different ways. So let's see the first way. For the first method, you just need to click on this search icon here and then search for system information. Okay, so search for this app which is called system information and then click on this result which says system information, and then just select the system summary here, and whatever is under baseboard is your motherboard information. So baseboard manufacturer is HP, which means motherboard manufacturer is HP. Baseboard product is 8538 and baseboard version in my case is KBC version 51.2b.00, right? So this was the first way of finding out your motherboard information. Let's see the second way. So in the second way, you just need to open the command prompt. You can open the command prompt by just clicking on the search option and then just search for CMD. And when this command prompt result shows, just open this command prompt as administrator. So just click on this button, run as administrator, and then click on yes, which is going to open the command prompt. Or you can also search for PowerShell. So just search for PowerShell, and you can also open PowerShell in order to find out this information. You can also right click on the Windows icon here and then click on Windows Terminal, and it's going to open the default Windows terminal on your Windows operating system. Once the terminal or command prompt is open, you need to give this command. I'm going to put this command in the description of this video also. So just copy this command and just Control V on your command prompt and then press enter, and it's going to provide you the following information about your motherboard, like the manufacturer, the product, serial number, and the version. This is essentially the same information which we have seen in the system information. So you can see motherboard manufacturer is HP, product is this one, baseboard version is this one, and the serial number is also provided here. Okay, so this is how you can find out the motherboard related information on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.